What's the word, everybody? It's Coach coming at you. A little short video today. We're back out here in the garage over at Chris's out in Laurel, Indiana. And as you can see, Jock's in the background, taking it all back apart again. You got to do test fitting and you got to take stuff back off. But you can see the doors on, fenders on. We're just doing some fitting. Had to take everything back apart. In the back, as you can see, you're running into a couple of bumps here and there. This thing's not fitting because this car was hit once upon a time, and it was hit badly. But Chris is getting to it, and it's going to figure it out. So next week, I will be bringing to you everything in the back half of the car. As you can see in the background right here, it's not together now, but next week, it will be all together. It will be all welded up. And then Jock is going to go back into the trailer for a little while Chris works on Rodney's Challenger, another car he's doing simultaneously with Jock at the same time. So it's time to get back on Rodney's 73 Challenger. So Jock's going to take a hibernation for a little while, and hopefully not for long. So stay around, hang around, and you'll see some progress. What I'll be working on today is cutting this piece out right here. A little bad piece right in here. I'm going to be cutting that out, and Chris is going to fill that in. I'm going to be grinding all the spot welds down in here that you see he's done. I'll be getting all of that done today. So yeah, but you know, the last time I may have showed this video, this inside of the Jock was full of parts, metal. That is no longer, because they are now in the process of being put on the car. So you won't see that. Well, like I said before, bought this door from Mopar City out in can't remember the city, but drove 2 hours, had these doors sandblasted, and this is how the door came out. And Mopar Larry refused to make it right and give me something back on the door. He tried to say that the guy that sandblasted it did that work and did that damage and would not honor. And I paid $1,200 for 2 doors with nothing inside of them. You know, but in my opinion, Mopar Larry is not a stand-up guy, and I wouldn't buy a sticker gun from him anymore ever again. So yeah, the doors look good until the paint came off, and you know, this one got a little bit going on with it too, you know, and he tried to say that that damage was done by the guy that sandblasted the B, and that was wasn't cool, man. Wasn't cool at all. I got these fenders off of the 4-door Coronet donut car that I bought, and those came out really good. So yeah, so that's where we at. So as you can see here, Chris is buttoning up and welding the trunk floor, as he will be doing all of the other pieces in the back over the next few days. I'm inside the B, sanding down the spot welds, grinding down the spot welds, make things nice and smooth, and then eventually going to put some seam sealer over it, cover it up so you never see it. So that's pretty much what this video is about here, just some welding and some grinding of the spot welds down.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I could fucking go and handle it. Instead of a $7 coffee, we'll get 2 things of creamer and have 30 coffee.
Oh, nice catch. That was crazy. Did you see that? Shop stuff at its finest. Well, that's all, folks. See you next time. It's Coach coming at you, Untouchable Customs, over here at the shop. And just did a lot of grinding down the spot welds today. That's pretty much my job while Chris welds and modifies and puts things together. As I come behind him after he welds and I hit the spot welds. So, as I end this here, gonna go over these doors once again. Got these doors from Mopar Larry in Oregon, Illinois. Everybody's heard of Mopar City. Famous place, high place. Bought these doors for about $1,250. Didn't ask for no discount. And I took these to have them powder coated. And he blamed it on the guy that sandblasted the doors and said he messed the doors up. And would not compensate me whatsoever. So this door needs a new door skin. Other door's not that bad. But I don't know. Just a little disappointed at that whole situation. So therefore, I'll never buy anything from Mopar Larry again. This door is pretty decent. A lot better shape than the other one. But yeah. So that's it, y'all. See you next time. Later.